Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on and where to find dark mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The fastest way to turn on dark mode is to simply swipe from the top, swipe again, and our dark mode option is right here. Our menu is now black. To do it by the menu, we have to go to the display option, and here are our modes: light mode, dark mode. But using a shortcut is much faster. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.